Ganito ang contour ng property. Ayan. Malapit tayo sa clouds. Right. So, mayroong slope and may corner lot. So, dito right now, since pre-selling ito at ni-waive nila yung transfer expenses, ang total contract price natin dito ngayon ay for the lot, no, na 200 square meters, 6 million pesos. Waive ang transfer expenses plus the VAT na 1.12. Alright. So, ipapasok natin siya sa bank financing. So, 20% down payment payable for 20 months. Less the reservation fee na 100,000 pesos. Whatever balance sa down payment payable in 20 months. After the 20 months, remaining 80% balance, ipapasok natin siya sa tie-up bank natin. So, lahat ito ay titled property and meron ditong house and lot package na 25 million pesos and pwedeng magpagawa ng sariling design. So, if you're interested or anyone interested, no, to check out and do site ocular dito po sa pre-selling project ng Tagaytay Forbes, message us today. My name is Ray. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. See you po dito sa Forbes in Tagaytay. Alright? Bring your 2 valid IDs, 3 months latest payslip, income tax return or ITR, ang inyong latest job contract, and then 2 valid IDs, reservation fees, and 20 pieces na post-dated checks. Kapag based locally, post-dated checks. Pag based abroad, bank-to-bank transfer ang mode of payment. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.